Hello. In our Alma 306 class today, we're going to learn how it is possible to work with 880 paired fields in the metadata editor, how we can add an 880 equivalent alternate graphic representation field, and how we can see these paired fields displaying in the repository. I'm going to move to Alma, and I will open the metadata editor. I'm going to open a new Mark 21 bibliographic record, and I will move to full screen, and I'm going to type in a transliterated Chinese title. I'm going to search my external resources for this title. So we can see a number of results, and we have the option to view, import, overlay, or merge any of these records. I'm going to choose to view this particular record, and we can see something very interesting on the screen now. As part of our Alma 305 class, we learned something about normalization rules in Alma, and here we're seeing an example of an out-of-the-box normalization rule. Alma will take 880 fields and display them together with their paired field. So we can see a transliterated 245 field displaying together with the 880 vernacular field. And we can see the same information for the 246, the 260, and any other paired fields that there might be in a record. I'm going to choose to overlay this record. And now we can see something even more interesting. Alma is displaying the 245 and the paired 880 field together, but it doesn't actually display the 880 tag. Internally, of course, this information is stored in the 880 original format, and if I were to export this record, it would be exported in its Mark 21 conforming 880 linking fields. But for cataloging and for display purposes, it is very useful to have these fields displaying together. If I wanted to add an 880 alternate graphic representation, I can highlight a particular field where I want to add this information. I can click on the Edit button, and I can choose the option to add alternate graphic representation. I need to tell Alma in what script it is, because this is also part of the information that is stored in these type of records. I'll just choose the CJK option, and what Alma does, it duplicates the information that I originally had, and I am then able to put the information in transliterated format. If I want to save the record, I can do so. And once I have saved it, I have the option of being able to see it in search mode. And here I can see that the transliterated and the vernacular titles display together. If I want to look at the full bibliographic record, I'm able to do so, and I will be able to see the pairing of all the transliterated and vernacular fields together. This concludes our overview of working with 880 paired fields in Alma.